Hi everyone, this is Delphine from Stamp and Color, and today I'm going to show you how you can very quickly and easily change the black lines of a digital image using Microsoft Word. So first we're going to copy and paste an image. All right, so the image we're using is Happy Anya. Right click, copy, Word document, right click, and paste. Here is my image with black lines. Now to change the image, I'm going to click on it, and you can see at the top I have this format thing appearing. It's not always called like that, depending on the version of Word that you have. It's either format or tools for the image. So we're going to click on that, and here we have all the tools that we can use to change the image. The idea is to make it quick and simple. So the easiest way is to use the color or recolor setting, which is here. Left click on color, and you can see all the different options here. Which can be convenient. Of course, we are not going to do green here, but if you want to color trees, for example, it can be nice to have that setting. So my favorite setting is this one, which is faded. So I'm going to left click, and here we are. My image is ready for no line coloring. Okay, there are other things that you can do if you want to change the black lines. You can play with the light and contrast of your image, or you can also play with the transparency. So here we have transparency. Again, you have some settings that you can choose from. So for example, here, if you take a look, 80%. So it's really faded, or you can even do 95%, but that may be a bit too much. So let's say we want 80%. So here is my image now with lines that are even more faded. These are settings that you have in all photo programs, but some of you may be uncomfortable with that type of programs, which is why I thought I would show you in Word how you can do it. Now, if you want to change several images, the idea is exactly the same. So I'm going to show you, I have prepared here. So I have two elements, Happy Anya, with black lines, and a door, which is from the Porch DG set. So I want to change both images. So what I'm going to do is to press Control, left click, so that I have the two images selected, and then Format again, Color, and I can easily change the color and have the faded look that I want. So you see, with one click or two clicks, I can change several images at the same time. Of course, then, if you want different settings for each image, you will have to change the images one by one. So, for example, if you want the door to be less visible, you're going to select the door, and then transparency, and see, you can have a very faded door, and Anya is not as faded as the door is. Right, so I hope you found this little tutorial helpful. And if you would like to see an example of this no-line scene colored, there's a video on the Greeting Farm YouTube that you can watch. Thanks for watching today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.